Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your essential guide to high potential stock plays. I'm Mitchell, and today we're launching into Horizon Space Acquisition I Corp, ticker HSPO, the SPAC, laser focused on transformative mergers in the burgeoning space sector. Blast off alert. As of December 9th, HSPO shares skyrocketed 42% to close at $17.50, capping a volatile ride from an open of $12.33 amid surging investor optimism on fresh acquisition prospects. This follows the October 3rd mutual termination of the Squirrel Hold Coal deal, freeing HSPO to hunt new targets, with Q3 trust assets steady at 23.1 million after 22 million in redemptions. Shareholders approved extensions, pushing the business combination deadline to April 27, 2026, by a crucial time in a red-hot space economy. But heads up, voluntary delisting from NASDAQ hits post-December 12th, shifting to OCT's trading and potential liquidity squeezes. A high-stakes pivot with year-to-date gains over 41%, but amplified risks. Analysts flag it as a speculative gem for merger hunters. HSPO, moonshot or meteor? Sound off in the comments, like for more SPAC scoops, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Stay stellar, trade smart. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.